in California, definitely the will not save you from probate. It's a common misconception. I have a will, my house is titled joint tenancy with my spouse, I'm set.
Okay.
Well, that's a huge misconception. Having a will not protect you from probate. It will advise the judge who you want to step into your shoes and who you want to get your assets, but there's no way that it would prevent your assets from going through the court process.
Okay, so I have, we have two people. We have family A, who has the will and the in joint tenancy. Then we have family B, exactly identical economic profile, but family B has a trust.
So for family A, the one that doesn't have a trust set up, God forbid mom and dad go at the same time, that house is not in the trust. Probate now in San Diego is taking close to 2 years. We used to have 4 courtrooms, 2 got shut down in North County, so the 2 in downtown are hearing guardianships, conservatorships, trust contests, probate. Something that used to take 9 months is now, like I said, close to 2 years. Family B with a trust, we have to wait a mandatory 120-day creditor period, but after that's gone, assets can be distributed. So it's a lot faster. It's private, which is wonderful, and it's not as lengthy.
Okay. How often, you know, someone has an estate plan, they came to you 5 years ago, should they be doing checkups on it? They should be revisiting it, and how does that work?
Well, I always tell my clients, when you're doing your taxes, sit down, pull out your trust and estates binder, and look at your estate plan. Look at what it says. Are you happy with the people you've named? Are you happy with your beneficiaries? Have you acquired any assets that need to be funded into the trust, or have you gotten rid of some assets that need to be corrected for? So it's always a good idea around tax time. If they need any additional guidance, I say always call me or come in, but I would say annually.
Annually do your estate plan. At least check it out with you.
At least check it. Just pull it out of the cupboard, pull it out of the safe, get it off that shelf and open it up. Dust it off. Take a look at it.
So now, I hear this term funding. Oh, the trust isn't funded. How does that work? What do you do?
Yeah, so as I previously mentioned, I like to think of the trust as a bucket, and funding is putting your assets into the bucket. And all that entails is changing title from the person's individual name to their name as trustee. With bank accounts, fairly easy, 15 to 20-minute meeting with a banker. With the houses, it's an additional quitclaim deed that gets drafted. Brokerage accounts work exactly like checking and savings accounts.